Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Life with Tisha 1000. Welcome y'all. So today we are going to be reacting to Dolce and Nesha worlds. Nesha's going to be doing a prank on her husband. It's called I'm Sending Your Sons Back to Cleveland I'm sending your sons back to Cleveland prank on husband. So we're going to be reacting to their channel. I love watching them, you know what I'm saying? And I did one reaction before, or a couple, I'm not sure, but I like watching them. So today I decided to do a reaction to another one of their videos. So, you know, hope you guys enjoy this. I'm doing different things and, you know, trying different things new and, you know, giving y'all a little bit of everything of Life with Tisha 1000. So if y'all can do me a very big favor, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, make sure your notification bell is on, and comment down below to let me know if you watched it, what did you think about it, and what was on your, you know, what was going on with you, and your thoughts about the video and everything like that. You know, I like that video. It's funny to me. They're very entertaining. So let's get right into it, y'all.
What's up, you too? What's up, DM? It's your girl Nesha, and I am back with another banger. I mean, when I tell y'all this is a banger, if y'all see something on my lips, it's not no food or nothing. I got my lip scrub on, y'all, and it feels so amazing. But yeah, anyway, y'all, as y'all can tell by the title, y'all, I am sending my stepson home today. Well, Monday. They gotta go, you know what I'm saying? I'm sending my husband, they gotta go on this day. I printed out the whole everything, y'all. I got real life tickets. It don't mention nothing about being fake. It tells you the time they leave. It say their names. See their names at the bottom. It tell you the time they leave, they layover time. They even got my Gmail on there, y'all. It tell you when I booked it. It's about to go crazy, y'all. And then this is how much I pay, y'all. I paid $1,376 for them to go. Like, it's that serious. I want them to go that bad. You feel me? It's about to go crazy. He about to be so mad because this is what he always wanted. Like, he always wanted all of us in one house together. He feels so complete. So for me to say that they gotta go, you know what I'm saying? He about to go the fuck off, and I know he is, y'all. But it's just a prank, y'all. I absolutely enjoy my stepsons being here, y'all. Even though one of them is, you know what I'm saying, being bad, that's him. But we gotta get used to it, like we said before. But other than that, y'all, we are enjoying this time together, and it's just awesome, you know what I'm saying? So, no, this is...
I like the term multiple slayer better than serial killer.
This 5-foot-long rattlesnake was used as a weapon.
What really happened to DB?
Not real, it's not my true feelings. This is just a prank that I know about to put him over the top, you know what I'm saying? So let's go, y'all. Comment down below Team Mini Gang, y'all, because I am not playing with y'all. I'm tired of doing the same pranks. So I'm sitting here like, damn, what can I do different? And I'm like, the kids here, that's different, you know what I'm saying? Why not? This is about to go freaking crazy, y'all. I'm nervous to do this prank because I know he's about to be ticked up. Comment down below to me again, y'all. If y'all not subscribed, I'm telling y'all, what are you waiting for? Make sure that subscribe button is gray. If it's red, you are not subscribed. So make sure it's gray. Keep rocking with us, keep supporting y'all, because the different lit content is coming back to pack. I promise y'all you would not regret it. Alright, so let me hurry up and set this camera up, y'all. I think I'm gonna do it in front room in the kitchen, I don't know. He currently in the kitchen, but I'm about to do my little slick moves, you know what I'm saying, and get him up out of there. And I'm about to do that anything. You gonna stop using ours? I ain't got time. Cause I don't want to smell it.
What is this?
I can get it. Just now, we gotta talk a bit.
I'm about to sit down.
Sit down, like, it's like so important. Sit right here.
I ain't about to sit down.
Yes, you are.
Come on, talk. I ain't about to
Can you sit down?
What?
Because I'm trying to talk to you for real, on some real shit.
You sit down, boy. You sit down.
I say I gotta talk.
It don't matter. I don't know anything you is.
No, but you don't listen. It's serious to me. Like, it's already hard for me to tell you.
What is that?
You can tell you or show you.
What is it? The fuck? Show me and tell me. Show and tell. Booking confirmation. What is it?
What if we told you your phone is the reason you can't sleep? That your laptop is causing those nagging headaches, blurred vision, and dry eyes? These are signs of excessive blue light exposure.
Monday, December 14, 2020. Texas, Denver. I mean, what the fuck is this? Something charged, first of all. What is this shit?
I'm sending you a weed from home.
Remember their young name? What they name on the travel information?
Because they going home.
What you think going home?
They going back home.
What you mean my son is going home?
Or I'm sending them home with their mother. That's what I mean.
You're not sending my son.
I'm sending them home. It's real like I didn't.
You know I'm sending my son. How you gonna take it upon each other? Oh, I'm sending your son.
Because I know you want to go to it. So I send them upon myself and
For what though?
because I don't want to hear them. That's why.
What's the point? Why you want to hear it?
Because I
What do you do so bad?
just don't
You
want
want
to
to
hear
send
them.
him home? Like, come on now.
I don't want to hear it. That's what.
Well, they not going home.
They are going home.
What the fuck they not?
What are
They
you
not.
going to give me my $13 back or
But
you
you shit
not?
ain't tell you little baby on 13
I know you didn't tell me.
You talking about layovers in Denver and all like
It's okay.
they little as fuck.
Okay, and somebody will be there for them. And they not little as fuck.
They little as fuck.
They not. They not little bitty babies.
They ain't looking things, but they ain't about to be doing no layovers and all that. They ain't about to go.
They are.
Motherfucker, they not
Yes,
about to
they
go.
are.
I'm telling you right now.
Yes, they are. That's anybody.
And now the problem with me and you too now. You just simply want to go
Okay, so do you want me to add this side on too? Because I can do that as well. Is that what you want?
Look, nigga already
Is that what you want?
you want something? Get in my face.
Would you like me to add you on?
Baggage fees, all types of stuff.
Everything
What you
taken
think?
care of. It's done.
What you think?
It's
Travel time, 7 hours?
It's done. What's today?
You think they going? You think about something around the plane? You go
Today is 12, they leave 14, so you got one day, one whole day to spend your time with your little kids and their leave. Period.
Oh, so you don't like them now?
I love them.
You don't send them away?
That's it. What?
One adult ticket was $640.
That's okay.
So you want to spend all that money on this Christmas time, but it's a birthday gift, you never send them home?
Yeah, they
They'll be
need
fucked
to
up.
be their mama.
Watch out, get on my face, get on my way. Move.
I don't think you're doing a good job.
I ain't doing a good job. I'm saying they clothes.
Because of me.
Because of you. What you do, y'all do? What you do?
Boy,
You go in the bathroom, wash their ass up, said the button.
do you?
No, but I'm telling you, go wash their
It's
ass
so
up.
do I. It's just too much. It's too much for me.
Why too much for you?
I ain't doing it. Okay? It ain't happening.
What would you get
It's
some?
not happening.
What would you get some hell out of
Because
shit?
they got to go.
They
That's
ain't
it.
gonna know.
Yes,
They ain't gonna know.
Yes, they
So
do.
all boys are gonna be mad as fuck because you knew me out 1300.
Well,
That's how
I
they
can read them. Tickets are $8.80. I can reprint them. I can reprint them right there. Once I tell them all I have to send on my phone. So here you go. That was for your record. That was for your record. So you, they're still in my email. They're still in my email. They didn't even get over it. I know they're in.
Flip out a minute. Think you about to sit here and control life.
Do you want to go? Do you want to go?
I'm not going nowhere that ain't it.
Yes, they are.
Stay.
No, they're not.
All right, we can do this. You want to go?
Do you want to?
You wanna go?
If I want to go, I'm going to buy me a ticket. I'm saying I want 2 tickets. You said they're too clean because they got it up. Here.
I'm telling you right now, stop disrespecting. I'm telling you right now. I'm gonna put the fuck out.
What you gonna do?
Get on my face, do
What you gonna do?
what's up?
What
Get
you
on
gonna
my
do?
party ending.
And do I care?
Get on my face and move. What is
Okay, but you need to be spending time with.
I ain't got to spend time with
You
this
need to
man.
be spending. Yes, they are.
This man going nowhere at all. You think he gonna go somewhere? He gonna need you about to flip off and say right now.
They are.
You think we should have ganked
No, I know it ain't that. You think it's a game. You think it's a game. I don't need that. I don't need that. That's for your record, so you remember the day your son was, and they got you good. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
You feel it, your son.
Bye-bye.
You don't run shit.
I run everything on
You
you.
don't run
I
nothing.
run anything on
You
you.
don't run
I run it.
nothing. That's what I bet you don't do.
I bet you they do.
I bet you.
I bet you they
Don't
do.
get on my table.
I bet you they do.
You gonna get
You
angry.
turn it down there?
Tell you right now, I'm telling you, get on my face. What is you doing? Dang, hurry up.
Where you going? Bitch, you ain't gonna get yourself.
I'm not shit no I want to go watch some flight tickets.
Because I don't want them here. That's why I don't want them here.
You go back.
That's my choice. I run everything I
It's
need.
my choice.
No, it's not.
How you gonna tell me that this ain't my choice for my son to be?
If you said if you get a person to be insurance, fine. They can go. They can go from my mom. They can go. They got a mother. They have a mother.
Nigga, daddy, I got
And okay, you got to do good.
how you gonna sit there and go
You ain't doing good.
a bad
You ain't doing good. You ain't doing good. How are you doing? Sorry. 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 You're not doing good, so they got to do that. Maybe they got a stepdad, y'all got to do that.
Why would you do this?
I don't want them here.
So you don't like my kids?
I do.
No, you don't.
I do.
I said, oh, I was just saying, and this Christmas song, you was gonna, my dad, man.
Okay, I said, we can send on their gifts.
You said what?
We can give them some gifts.
Why you
Send them their
like
gifts.
crack that shit? What?
Crap, I'm talking.
So you got food in your mama's son, you doing, you moving it, it's like a crackhead. Shit. The fuck? Crackhead mom fast, you ass up.
I'm so excited.
You excited for?
Because I'm just about to be back to how it was. That's
The
why.
fuck is this shit normal as fuck to
It's
me?
not.
Go ahead.
What's normal about it?
Go
It's so
ahead.
out of place.
How's that place?
Because it is.
How?
Because they just don't belong, that's why.
How they belong?
Because they don't belong with their mama, that's why. No, it's cool with them here and all, but you're just not doing good, you know? It's cool.
They ain't going on.
It's alright, thanks. You know what I'm saying? But I want it.
So you really feel like that?
I really do. It ain't
You
what I
want me
want.
to I'll smack you with this in my head?
Really?
You think I'm playing something?
You think I care?
I'll smack you with this ball up piece of paper.
You
I'm
think
not
I
in my
care?
head.
But do you think I
Like, you
care?
lucky I'll be paying. Like, you
You think I care?
Yo, what the fuck you think this? What you think? Oh, what? No.
I think I'm
Do it.
Hey, you gotta know.
I'm not going to put this bitch get the top of your head. It's like,
You know
something right now.
you want me to go there right now? Because I'm over there telling me I can take that right now. They can get that deep.
You ain't telling shit.
I'm leaving it up to you to tell them. You want to tell them?
You tell
Tell them their mama.
Tell them you sitting home.
Tell them their mama.
Tell them you sitting
No,
home.
tell them their mama.
Call down and tell them you
They
sitting
tell
home.
their mama sent it.
You sitting
They
home.
mama did.
How your mama said that you said to me, you.
So you gonna put that thing in there, they mama sent it home, so I'm lying now.
How your mama
They
said
mama sent it home.
you send them home.
No, I'm not.
I send them
No,
home.
I'm not. That's their mother.
Nisha, you trying to send them home.
No, I'm not.
You sit down here talking about, oh, yeah, it's on my phone, I'm gonna print it out. Like, you sound
No, she
upset.
emailed it to me. She did it.
So you said that they mama sending them home.
She did.
No, she didn't. No, I would have been new.
That's the story you want to tell them.
Like,
You have to tell them about the way you know.
no, you want to know that you don't like another day.
Yes, I do.
The fuck, you
Yes, I
don't like
do.
my sons, don't like
Yes, I
you.
do.
Simple as that. That's why, you know, our old man is there right
Okay,
there.
Dad, you want to take a look?
Oh, I want to take with them. I'm not going up. I'm going to take them back. Because they ain't going already.
They are. They are.
I got TV not. I got TV not. Get off
The
Facebook.
chicken
Don't
said
talk.
so. The chicken said, ooh.
What was I? I'm talking to you.
Yes.
You get into
Boy, you said so. Boy. Boy. What you want to do? What you want to do? What you want to do?
What's up?
Because I'm on that.
What's up, man?
I can get you up and send you home with your kids. Because they did. Bye. 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 To the little.
You know, I don't do this, so you never know.
To the little.
We got to see you disrespect me and tell me what my kids have.
They do have to leave. Why don't they have to leave?
Ah, shit.
Oh, okay. Fuck you thought.
The fuck you thought?
Life isn't put on hold, but we know your plans may be changing. Rent your wedding package in store or online from 90.
Let me pay for them tickets then.
Remember, see what they do in your face a lot of times. What you talking about? What you doing? What you doing?
What the fuck is here about?
Which one of those tickets?
What?
You got to tell me exactly that's about it.
No, I'm telling them they got to leave.
Call down how much you tell me.
Barbara and Darian! Well, Barbara!
How much you tell me.
Barbara, hold on. Come talk to Barbara.
Yes.
Barbara! Yeah? Come here!
I want you to respect my kids like this much.
Barbara, swear that's all you.
You ain't got to talk down the spot shit.
How you liking your shaver?
It's fine.
It is?
Yeah.
So if I tell you I'm not leaving Monday.
Monday. 2 days. Well, yeah. Why?
I know your mom emailed it to me. It's
You ain't get a shit on me. Like, how long you give me? What would you give me a hate?
You need to know.
Well, What a wife crying for?
She said.
What is the wife crying for? Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. What'd you say now?
She said his mom said it.
Let me see this. You ain't gotta let this shit. Let's go take your little paper. You go back upstairs, girl. You ain't gotta be in the middle of this dumb shit that she on.
No, for real.
She said to go home and she don't want y'all here. How you real? You a teenager almost.
Did I tell you to tell her that?
It don't matter. She don't want y'all here, bro. So it is what it is. And I don't know.
See, he being a real dad. He like, nigga, I'm about to tell my kid, like, you ain't about to lie to my son.
I'm kicking y'all out.
She kicking y'all out. How she gonna kick y'all out of my house?
I'm kicking y'all out.
How she gonna kick y'all out of my house, bro? How you feel about that? You sorry?
Yeah.
You ain't sorry at all. You not.
Y'all gotta leave it.
The fuck? I'm telling you right now.
Sorry? Yeah.
Well, Sunday night, tomorrow night. So we go.
She really think y'all about to go. Like, you think you about to go be fake as fuck and have fun with them after you bought $1,300 pack? You know what you could have got for $1,300? You could have got a PS5, B-Bucks, all type of shit with that. She gonna spend it on y'all to go home. Like, that's corny.
What's corny about it?
That's corny as fuck. Now, why would you want to send them home?
Why do you tell them that anyway?
My wedding.
Alright, bro, I'm talking to you, alright?
Yeah, it's crazy.
I can't believe my money this.
No, you did that shit, you did something on that shit, you did it. So what the fuck you saying mama did it for when you did it?
Because I didn't do that. Why you gonna try to control me to be a bad guy?
But the dog ugly as fuck out there, skin with a long ass neck. What's up?
What y'all about to do, like?
You remember what they about to eat? They about to come around and eat this piece?
I'm gonna take Barbara out to eat because I feel so bad.
You about to take Barbara out. What about Gary now? He ain't hungry too. I'm sure he want to eat too. The fuck? I want to eat. Can you take us all I eat? All I eat? I want to eat. The fuck?
No.
Dirty guy.
No, I need to talk to Barbara.
What you got to talk to Barbara? You just talk to Barbara. The fuck? I'm telling you right now, bitch. I'm telling you right now. You think this is a game or something? What's your problem?
Alright, come here, Barbara. I gotta tell you something. This is crazy. Just shut up. Let me talk to my son.
How does your son, but you want to hit him out like you sound dumb as hell to me? You sound dumb as fuck to you think that you're trying to get kicked out.
Alright, let me talk to him. Let me talk to him. Don't worry about it. You mad at me?
Yeah.
You mad at me?
Yep.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry to let y'all know this.
What you doing? Brown by your eyes shit?
You fucking wrong? It's just a prank. It's a prank.
It's a prank.
She did good though, y'all. Y'all can't lie. She did good.
I did. Y'all lying. I promise y'all. Look, let me show you. Let me prove to y'all.
Just $1,300 you waste your money on this.
Oh, I spent extra $10. See, look. Come on in.
Built for America. Built for proud. It's in your nature to push yourself. It's in our nature.
Yeah.
What is this?
Fake collect tickets. They're fake. I spent $10 on the tickets.
How could you do that?
Because I'm fake. Remember I bring you in.
Well, flight tickets?
Yeah, it's the price.
I remember that, right?
Remember I was coming here and leaving you?
When is it? I don't
In
know.
Cleveland. Anyway, I did it a long time ago, but yeah, it's a price.
That's crazy.
Ah!
Yeah, bro.
So y'all was talking like y'all heard the broke.
Yeah.
What the fuck did you think? I was
So
going
what
on.
was you gonna do? What you
Where's your
gonna
camera?
do? What you gonna, oh, there. What you really gonna take home?
No, all I said, sit home.
Like it out. So what you gonna do? You make my money?
You was going to so all $1,300, $1,400 on some dumb shit you wouldn't see about yourself today.
No, I'm saying it was a prank, y'all. It was $10. $10 was worth getting y'all reaction. Y'all too bad for what you did. Saying you don't like me. Yeah. And I got you back. Yeah.
What was it
So
on?
you on my face.
Uh-huh.
I had to get both of them, y'all. Period. Comment down on the TV game.
Move.
Okay, y'all.
Team Nene. Coming down on me, Team Nene.
Now that's a prank, y'all, like for real. I have no problems in being here. It's, you know what I'm saying? It's good vibes. You know, we doing Y'all funny.
Fuck that too, man.
Burger still nervous like that. How I'm gonna get her back?
I thought it was real.
I know I did it. And I thought to include you because you pregnant and said you didn't like me, so I had to get you back. Like, yeah. Now what? Period. Comment on that video and subscribe if y'all not ready to subscribe. Y'all just got both of their reactions. And yeah, y'all. So,
Coming back, though.
he ain't coming back. Y'all ain't no coming back from that. Period.
there it is there, y'all. Y'all saw it was a good prank. She did that very good. She acted it out very good and everything like that. So with that being said, y'all already know what's coming. If y'all can subscribe, make sure your notification bell is on. Give me a big thumbs up and make sure you comment down below to let me know how you enjoyed my reaction to Nesha. To Dolce and Nesha world. You know what I'm saying? Dolce and Nesha worlds. You feel me? So I'll see y'all on the next one. Until then, I'll see you.